Another beautiful morning on the farm.
I brought the chamomile.
It's such a beautiful morning for this.
Yeah.
Couldn't agree more. The soil is rich today.
Mom, where should I put these cucumbers?
This one is absolutely perfect for the sauce tonight.
It really is. The garden was generous today. Almost ready, everyone. This looks wonderful.
I agree. Who wants cucumbers?
I do. The salad is done.
This salad is incredible, honey. Best harvest yet.
I'm glad you like it. Sarah helped pick the tomatoes this morning.
Right in the middle, honey. The chicken fits perfectly here. Oh.
Great. The vegetables can go on the end. This looks incredible.
This corn is the best thing we've grown all summer.
I agree, it tastes so sweet tonight.
We should definitely plant more next year. Everything looks wonderful, Claire. Thank you.
You're welcome, Thomas. It's the perfect night for it.
I can't believe how beautiful it is out here tonight. It's absolutely perfect. I could stay here forever.